In this video, we're going to go into coupon codes. A coupon code is something you can develop to give either all affiliates or certain customers, even down to a single customer, a special discount on any or all of your products. These can be limited to number of uses. You can set something up so only the first 50 people who use it get the actual discount. You can make it a certain limited amount of time. So you can say from this time on this date to this time on this date, you can save, say, $5 by using this coupon code. It's very flexible and very easy to set up. To get to coupon codes, you go to Sellers and Coupons. That brings us right here. Now this chart will only appear once you have existing coupon codes, and I have obviously some coupon codes blanked out here to keep them private. But what we have is basically a number of columns that are all pretty self-explanatory, but I'll quickly go through them. Funnel is which funnel the particular coupon code applies to. You can have it apply to all funnels or only a specific funnel. Which specific product the coupon code is good for. The name of the coupon code, and this is just an internal name that you give it so that you can tell your coupon codes apart. No one else will see this. The coupon code itself, which is letters or numbers that you decide arbitrarily, whatever you want it to be. The amount of the discount, the maximum number of uses if you've set it, the number of times the coupon has been used, and this is updated live, the start date and end date if you've set them, whether or not the coupon code is active, because you can make these inactive at any point or once it hits the maximum usage and end date. I believe it can automatically go inactive. Actually, though, I'm looking at my very first coupon code, which has one maximum usage. It was actually for a specific customer. So I'll leave this first coupon code open so that you can read it. It had one maximum usage. We were giving $20 off to one particular customer for this Graphics Pro Pack Mammoth edition product of mine. I gave him a $20 discount. It was used one time, so he did purchase it. This is the date that I issued the coupon code. And since it has been used the maximum number of times, I guess it does not automatically go inactive. It stays on the chart here. Now, if I were to click this X button, that would make this inactive, and I would not see it on the chart. I would not see it at all unless I use the search function at the top here, which allows you to search for active or inactive or both coupons, including expired ones. If I wanted to edit this coupon code, I would click the pencil. But what I'm going to do here is create a completely new coupon code. We do this with the Add a Coupon button up in the right. Okay, so we're on the add/edit coupon form, and we see it's very short. You use the two pull downs here to pick which of your product funnels and which of your products you want this to apply to. Now, if you wanted to apply to a single product, but only when it's purchased as part of a particular product funnel, then you want to set both of these. If you want it to be used on the product no matter which funnel it's in, or if it's in no funnels at all you need to use is the product. Then what we need to do is we need to give it a name. Let's call this test coupon code. And actually I do need to pick a product here for this to work. So I'll pull this down and let's pick coaching call. So I'm going to give a $50, let's see, we actually need to set the coupon code name. Let's call this loyalty. That's the code that people will need to type into the coupon code box on the JVZoo checkout page in order to get this discount. Once they put the coupon code in and click the submit button, it will take $50 off of the price. So you can enter in either $50 or you can give a 10% bonus. You can do it percentages or dollars, but for this I'm going to give $50. Let's limit this to the first 5 people that use it. We're going to start it today. You can see the date and time that I'm recording this. And let's set an end time of April 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We can check whether or not the coupon code is active, and once it's done, we click Save Coupon. And now we see the coupon code right here on my form. No one has used it yet, but once someone uses this, that will increment to 1. This is how you set up these coupon codes, and then what you want to do is whoever you're giving the coupon code to, you want to tell them the coupon code is loyalty, all lowercase, and you want to type that into the coupon code box on the JVZoo order form. Once they click the buy button, they'll be taken to the order form and they can put the coupon code in. Now, if I want to make this inactive, suppose I want to take the actual coupon code off the market, I would click the X here, and we will see that we get a, are you certain you want to deactivate it? And I will say delete, and it is gone. So that's basically how you set up and use coupon codes.